Hello and welcome to Cleaning the Easy Way, where we talk about everything cleaning. Today we are going to be discussing Clorox disinfectant wipes and the harmful effect it may be having on the surfaces in your own home. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe. And now on to the video. I recently read an article that Clorox disinfectant wipes are very harmful to quartz countertops. And that is because the main ingredient is citric acid. I ran and read the main ingredients in the disinfectant wipes I use, and I was very happy to see that no, they do not contain citric acid. This had me thinking, if Clorox disinfectant wipes are harmful for quartz countertops, what else are they bad for? Before we get into it, let's talk about what happens if you use a cleaning product that contains citric acid on your quartz countertops. Even though quartz is non-porous, citric acid breaks down the surface over time. This in return will cause discoloration because it breaks down the silica bonds. Silica bonds are in many stone countertops. What is a silica bond? It is the natural minerals and the resin used to create engineered stone countertops. So when you use citric acid, you are destroying your countertops. We would never use disinfectant wipes to clean a client's home, but I have used them in my own home. In my home, I have granite in my kitchen and tile, porcelain, cultured marble, and laminate in my bathrooms. So if I were to use Clorox disinfectant wipes, would I be causing damage in my own home? The last thing I want to do is break down the surfaces, in return causing damage, discoloration, and then things would never truly look clean. This is why Cody and I are always saying to read the ingredients in your cleaning product before you clean with them. And if you're unsure, do the research. There are so many products on the market that may seem like an amazing product, and it may look shiny. But remember, just because something shines doesn't make it gold. Most of us don't want to, and we don't have the money to constantly upgrade and change the surfaces in our home. And if you are causing damage with the cleaning products you use, well, that may have to happen before you intend. Citric acid cannot be used on marble. It can damage and cause etching in the stone. Because it reacts with the marble, it tends to lead to dullness, and it can also dissolve the stone. Other things that actually have the same effect on marble are vinegar, lemon juice, and some drinks like coffee and wine. Citric acid should also not be used on granite. Granite countertops have a sealer, and the acid is going to break that down. This can in return cause your countertops to appear dull. It can etch the stone, cause dull spots, or uneven indentations. In doing my research, I was finally able to realize what was causing the discoloration I saw on a client's granite countertops. And that is because she was using Clorox disinfectant wipes on her countertops in between Cody and my visits to her home to clean. Just like marble, vinegar, lemon juice, coffee, and wine are also harmful. What happens if you use it on cultured marble? Well, pretty much the same thing. It's going to break down the sealant. It's going to cause etching to the stone, scratches to the stone, and discoloration. Next, let's go over laminate. It can damage the finish, causing a cloudy or an etched appearance. It can also expose the underlying layers that make up the laminate. Using citric acid on porcelain can help in the removal of water spots and lime scale. There do not appear to be any harmful side effects. Just make sure you do not leave the cleaning solution on the porcelain for a long period of time. The same goes for ceramic. The other side is what happens if you are using it on a tile that has grout. Cleaning products that contain citric acid over time break down the sealer and the grout, leaving it porous. This is when you might see water seep in, causing mold and discoloration. Other items that it is not recommended to use disinfectant wipes that contain citric acid are brass, copper, unfinished wood, and I'm sorry guys, but your electronic screens. I'm going to show you some other names that citric acid could be hiding as in your cleaning products. So in conclusion, I would definitely say if you are going to use Clorox disinfectant wipes or any cleaning products that contain acidic acid, do not clean anything that is made up of natural stone or is natural stone. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, have an amazing day and go make it sparkle.